カブです。新たなスタートを踏み切ろう。 YouTube でスピーチコンテストも開催中。
The sound of summer. The next morning, Alice woke up early. She heard a loud noise from the trees outside. It was a very strange noise for her. She asked Kana, "What is that? It sounds like a loud whistle." Kana laughed and said, "That is the sound of cicadas. In Japan, we hear them every summer. To us, it is the sound of the hot season." Alice listened to the cicadas for a while. At first, she thought it was too loud, but soon she liked it. "It is the music of Japanese summer," Alice said. After breakfast, they went to a local shrine. Alice saw people washing their hands and praying. She also heard the sound of a big bell. Everything was new and exciting for her. Kana explained the rules of the shrine. Alice enjoyed the quiet and peaceful atmosphere. They felt very relaxed and ready for their next trip to the mountains.